Hello guys, welcome to TechGrowthStocks channel. Today I'm going to present you the best long-term tech growth stocks, and this will be a multi-part series. I will make 4 parts, and today I want to cover the best long-term tech software stocks, and overall the best long-term tech growth stock strategy is a long-term equity growth strategy, and it's an actively diversified strategy with a long-term holding period of 1 year or more. And in the strategy are the stocks with the highest growth potential. And currently there are 34 stocks in the strategy. And so I will make a 4 parts series where I will cover in each part around 9 stocks, 7 to 9 stocks in the different sectors. And as said, today will be the tech software, the best long-term tech software stocks. And in the next part, I will cover communication services sector, the best long-term communication services stocks. And and below, at a later date, I will post a link where you can monitor the strategy's performance. Currently, I made a strategy portfolio, and you can follow that once it is live. So I will post that. This will be after 1 month, after it has been live for 1 month. I will post it, because then you can have a look at that as well. So okay guys, that's for the intro, and now let's start right off with the best long-term tech software stocks. The first one is AYX, Alteryx Inc. So Alteryx has a very strong EPS growth of 310%, a strong sales growth of 30%, and a relative strength rating of 80, which is not the best, but it has strong growth potential. So the next stock is COUP, Coupa Software. Coupa Software has had a strong performance year to date of around 100%. And Coupa Software has a strong EPS growth of 34%, a strong sales growth of 39%, and a relative strength of 91. The next software stock is MDB, MongoDB. MongoDB had also a strong performance year to date of nearly 100%, and MongoDB has excellent EPS growth of 59%, a strong sales growth of 43%, and a relative strength of 90. The next software stock is OKTA, OKTA. OKTA had a strong performance year to date of more than 100%, and OKTA has a strong EPS growth of 16%, and a strong sales growth of 44%, and a relative strength rating of 91. The next best long-term software stock is SHOP, Shopify. Shopify had a strong performance year to date of around more than 170%, and Shopify has excellent EPS growth of 584%, a strong sales growth of 72%, and a strong relative strength rating of 97. So Shopify is a top pick. The next stock is WORK, Slack Technologies. Slack Technologies has a strong EPS growth of 15%, a very strong sales growth of 49% and a relative strength of 74, which is not the best, but it has strong potential. So it's still on the best long-term tech growth stocks list. The next super software stock is SQ, Square. Oh, you can see it had a very strong performance year to date of around 200%. And Square has excellent growth characteristics, a strong EPS growth of 108%, a strong sales growth of 54%, and a strong relative strength rating of 96. It's an excellent taste software stock, so it's also a top pick. The next software stock is TTD, the Trade Desk. So it had an excellent performance year to date of around 130%, and the Trade Desk has excellent growth characteristics, a strong EPS growth of 58%, and a sales growth of 10%, and a strong relative strength rating of 96. So now comes the last software stock, the last best long-term software stock. It is UBER, Uber Technologies. Uber has excellent EPS growth of 52%, a little bit sluggish sales growth of -7%, and a relative strength rating of 77. So at the moment, the sales growth is not that good due to the corona pandemic. And as you can see, it looks like Uber wants to break out here. I mean, it has here a big decline. Now it's tightening, and it looks like that line around 38, 80, 38.80. If it can break out from here, this could be very favorable for Uber, and it could have a big run. And it's been a recent IPO, so it could be very attractive, a very attractive buy point at the moment, or nearly when it's breaking out from here. Yeah. So guys, these are the software stocks for today. Go check them out. Maybe there is some stock for you interesting. Check them out. Do your research. And also don't forget, below I will post once the strategy was live for 1 month. I will post the link to the best long-term growth stocks, so you can monitor the performances. And I will, from time to time, I will make update to this strategy, and I will talk about the holdings, so you can follow the stock changes of the strategy. And as I said, it's an actively diversified strategy with a high growth potential and high performance potential. And so I think it makes sense to follow that strategy. So guys, if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up. This would help me very much. And guys, if you want to see the next part of the series, best long-term tech growth stocks, the next part will be about the best communication stocks like Netflix and co. And please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss that next episode. And after this, after the communication services stocks, I will make also a video about healthcare stocks, and finally a mixed video about financials and energy, and some retail stocks. So guys, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any video. And guys, thank you for watching. Thanks. I like that. And I hope I can see you soon. Take care, goodbye, and stay tuned.